Welcome to our channel. Today we how to log into TransUnion affiliate offers for identity protection referrals step by step clearly. Open your web browser and go to the TransUnion affiliate portal. In the top right corner, locate the login button and click on it. You will be directed to the login page. Enter your registered email address in the email field. Next, type your password in the password field. Double-check to ensure both entries are correct. If you have forgotten your password, click on the Forgot Password link. Follow the prompts to reset your password. Once you've entered your email and password, click the Login button to proceed. After a moment, you will be taken to your affiliate dashboard. Here, you will see various options and tools related to identity protection referrals. Familiarize yourself with the dashboard layout. Navigate to the section labeled Offers or Affiliate Tools. This section contains the available affiliate offers for identity protection. Select an offer that interests you to view more details. You will find promotional materials, links, and tracking information for each offer. Use these resources to easily promote the identity protection services. If you encounter any issues, refer to the help section of the portal. You can also contact support if you need additional assistance. Now you're ready to start promoting TransUnion's identity protection referrals. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.